Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got an epoxy resin mold pour for you. So you can see we got a couple of really neat fun things, some coasters, some ashtrays, some letters and numbers for my daughter. Those we're gonna make some keychains. We got some different inks and colors and some other fun stuff. Look forward to seeing how it turns out. Got some glitter, some dominoes, some dried up flowers, and just a bunch of fun stuff. I can't wait to see how this turns out. If you guys are interested in anything that we're doing, drop some comments, give us a follow and a like or whatnot. And yeah, so some butterflies and this neat little maple leaf with some glitter in it. You can see how awesome the pour is. Go in there at 420 and just do her. Get her done, you know. That's how you do it. That's how we do it around here. Put some glitter, and that's one of my C99 cannabis leaves there in the middle, and just kind of pour it in. And then it's gonna have to sit for and cure for like 72 hours. But man, this particular epoxy resin that we use really does shine, and we really look forward to seeing how they turn out in the end. But yep, you see the glitter around the edge there. That's just nice. Need to do something though with them leaves though. They kind of pop up. For some reason they kind of pop up. But this is a little weed tray, little cannabis tray. There's some of them coasters. They're real nice. I didn't fill that one, but I did fill those two. They turned out nice. Oh yeah, those are gonna be so nice. Those could be ashtrays or coasters. But these you can turn these letters into keychains, and that's what we're gonna do at some point. But you can buy these. I'm thinking about selling these for like $4.20. I'm thinking $4.20. And then you can put like some coloring and glitter and other fun stuff. It really makes it really fun and nice. These are one of my personal favorites, these domino sets. These molds really did turn out really nice. And I'm really excited to see how they turn out. Add some colors, really personalize them. Sky is the limit. The purples and yellows and pinks and blues. So many different techniques and methods and mediums. I mean, there's just hours of countless meaningful time. Good family fun. That maple leaf ashtray really turned out slick. I can't wait to see these. So yeah, the first 12 hours they should be pretty much dried up, but then you're gonna have to let them fully cure for about 72 hours. You see, we had a little overspill. It's a learning experience, you know. You get a little better with everyone, and it was really fun for us and our family, and I think you guys would enjoy making the molds. But if maybe you would like a particular set done, and just let me know.